Building a website used to be a time-consuming and technical task, but today, tools like ChatGPT and Wix have lowered the skill barrier, making the process easier than ever. Now, imagine creating websites that aren't just built for today, but are designed to grow, evolve, and integrate future AI advancements. Whether you want full control over your website's code or prefer a no-code solution, one critical question remains. How do you build a site that can adapt to the fast-changing world of AI? In this video, we'll explore two approaches. Using the coding tutor we built together last week with ChatGPT for a custom-coded site, and Wix, a no-code platform. If you'd like a step-by-step walkthrough on how the coding tutor was built, be sure to check out last week's video. Today, we'll use the coding tutor to generate a modular website, add a chatbot, and optimize it for SEO, demonstrating how both tools can future-proof your site as AI continues to evolve. Before we jump into the hands-on demo, let's talk about modularity. In the world of web development, modularity means designing your site so that individual components, like your header, chatbot, or AI model, can be updated or replaced without affecting the entire structure. Think of it like building with Lego bricks. Each brick or block represents a feature of your website. If you want to update or replace one block, you can easily remove it and snap in a new one, without disturbing the other pieces. This is the foundation of modularity. Each part works independently, so if you need to upgrade your AI model, you can do it seamlessly without having to rebuild the entire site. Now, why does this matter? Because technology, and particularly AI, is evolving at an exponential rate. The ultimate goal of today's AI research is to reach general artificial intelligence, where machines can think, learn, and adapt, just as humans do. Leading companies like OpenAI and DeepMind are pushing the boundaries, and we're seeing rapid advancements in deep learning and generative AI alongside massive growths in computing power. As I make this very video, new AI models are being released, with even more powerful versions already in development. We're heading toward a future where businesses, artists, and creators will have their own AI, tailored to their specific needs. Many are rushing to build specialized AI tools, thanks to the availability of open-source AI models. Open-source AI models, like ChatGPT, are pre-built frameworks where anyone can access, modify, and distribute source code. It's like getting a box of Legos with the basic pieces already built for you. This allows developers and businesses to take the base model and customize it for their unique needs, whether it's enhancing customer support, automating content, or creating entirely new pieces of art. This ability to customize and build on existing AI tools highlights why modularity is so crucial. By designing your website with a modular structure, you can seamlessly integrate the next versions of ChatGPT without needing to overhaul your entire site. Whether you're using ChatGPT for custom code or a no-code platform like Wix, starting to think modular now means your website will be ready for whatever AI advancements come next. It's not just about saving time, it's about keeping your site adaptable, scalable, and future-proof, ensuring that your website grows as AI does. Now, let's dive into building a modular website using ChatGPT and Replit. First, let's review our initial prompt. I'll ask our coding tutor to generate the HTML code for our site with a modular structure. This will include independent sections like the header, main content, and footer, where we can easily update or replace each part later without affecting the others. We'll run this prompt in the chat interface of our coding tutor. If you're following along, you can find the detailed steps on how we created the coding tutor in last week's tutorial. You can also paste this prompt into ChatGPT without needing a tutor agent. Just note that the results format may vary. Once the code is generated, we'll head over to Replit, which is an online coding platform where you can write and run code directly in your browser. We'll create a new project, paste the HTML code, and hit run to see our website come to life. The beauty of this modular design is that each section, header, chatbot, or content can be swapped out or updated independently. Now, let's make our site interactive by adding a chatbot. We'll prompt ChatGPT to generate the code for a simple AI chatbot. At this point, you might be wondering, how is this all going to work? Let's imagine a movie theater. You see, this chatbot will rely on an API, or Application Programming Interface, which works like the ticket counter at a movie theater. It takes the user's question, sends it to ChatGPT's server, gets processed, and sends the response back to our chatbot in real time. Once I copy and paste the generated chatbot code into Replit, hit run, the chatbot is now live on our site. This is where scalability becomes important. As more people use the chatbot, our API needs to handle the growing traffic, just like a theater adding more ticket counters for a bigger crowd. Let's test it out. I'll ask the chatbot a question. And thanks to the API, it responds instantly. And there you have it. We've built a website that's scalable, adaptable, that is ready for future updates without any major overhauls. Let's see how we can build a modular website without writing any code using Wix. Even though we won't be coding, the same principle of modularity applies. Each section is independent and easily customizable, allowing for future updates without disrupting the entire site. Wix offers a variety of templates, but for this demo, I'll start with a blank template to show you how to build the site from scratch. We'll start by adding a header block to the top of the page. With Wix, all you need to do is drag and drop the header element onto the canvas. The header acts as a completely modular component, meaning we can update or replace it later without affecting the rest of the site. Next, let's customize the header by adding a logo and a navigation menu. Wix makes this super easy. Just click on the header, and I can upload a logo and add my navigation links with a few clicks. Now that the header is customized, let's add a content section. In Wix, it's as simple as dragging a content block into place. For this demo, I'm going to add a gallery, but you could easily add a text block, image, or video instead. Again, this content section is independent. This is what makes Wix's modular system so flexible. Before publishing the site, let's optimize it for SEO. Wix has an SEO wizard built in, guiding you step by step through optimizing your site. You just fill in fields like your meta description and keywords, and Wix handles the rest. Now, let's make the site interactive by adding a chatbot. Wix has a built-in app market where I can search for chatbot tools. Let's choose a chatbot app and add it to the site without writing any code. After installing the chatbot, I can customize its settings, like the welcome message, the design, and when it appears on the page. Once the chatbot is set up, it will be ready to interact with visitors automatically. Finally, I'll publish the website. With just a few clicks, the site is live and includes all the modular components we've added: an independent header, gallery, chatbot, and SEO optimization. As you can see, Wix makes it incredibly easy to create and manage a modular website without needing any coding skills. Each section can be customized or updated independently, allowing you to scale and adapt your website as your needs evolve. Building a modular website has never been easier. From generating the code to adding interactive features like a chatbot and optimizing for SEO, these tools allow you to create flexible, future-proof websites that are ready to adapt as technology evolves. Let me know in the comments which approach excites you more, building custom with ChatGPT or keeping it simple with Wix. And if you've enjoyed learning in this video, subscribe for weekly AI insights and tutorials.